welcome to our channel where we delve into all things code related. Today, we are going to create a simple drop-down menu using Tailwind CSS and HTML. Drop-down menus are a common feature you see in many websites and applications. They allow users to choose an option from a list that drops down when clicking on a button. For this tutorial, we'll need a basic HTML site template, in the head tag, we will link the Tailwind CSS serial. Now let's begin. First, we create a div element that will contain our drop-down menu. So I have created one div element which I have given the padding as 10. Again, I have created a second div class that will contain our drop-down menu. We apply classes such as relative, inline block, and text left for align. Inside this div, we create a drop-down button. You can see here from the code line, I have created our drop-down button with classes that style the button. Notice the ID options menu. This is important for accessibility. And will be tied to the drop-down menu itself. We also use SVG for the down arrow. So as you can see, I have used here the SVG for the down arrow, which we will see in the later part of the video. Next, we create another div for the drop-down menu. It is positioned absolutely and right aligned to the button. We also add a shadow for the neat visual effect. Inside this div, we have yet another div where we create an actual drop-down menu option. Each menu item is a hyperlink with classes for styling and hover effects. So as you can see, we have created here three drop-down menu items. So the first drop-down menu item I want to be is in a rounded from top. The background should be in grey color. Also, when I move the cursor, it should hover and when hovered, it should change to grey color. Background should be changed to grey color. I have given padding from Y, PY2 and PX4. Again, for the second drop down menu item, I want the background to be in gray. With intensity 200, but when the user hovers on the drop down menu, the background should turn and increase to 400 intensity. I have given padding as PY2 and from x-axis PX4. Again, for the third drop down menu icon, I want the rounded edge from bottom. Background should be gray, and when hover it should increase by 200 in terms of intensity. Padding from y-axis should be 2, padding from x-axis should be 4. Also, I am given here the text which should be displayed in the drop down menu when user clicks on the drop down button. Now we will check the output. So as you can see, now we have a button here naming drop down. So when I take the cursor here on the drop down button, the drop down menu items are displayed. So when the cursor is not on the drop down menu items, the background is in white color, that is background gray with 200 intensity, and when the cursor is hovered upon the drop down menu items, it slightly increases its background color to gray just to differentiate between the other drop down menu item. You can see here. So if you want to customize this color of the drop down menu, you can just change it to red. You can see the color is changed. If you want to change this color of the drop down menu items, you can give it as yellow. It's changed slightly. I give it as 600. You can see now the changes. Same if you want here blue. You can see the changes. You can see different colors can be seen. If you want to change the color when the drop down menu is forward, you need to change here and you can give it as you can see when hovered it is changing orange, yellow is changing from yellow to pink. Same, we need to change it here. Give it as pink. Again here. Pink. You can change it accordingly. Remember, you are also JavaScript here. JavaScript is like React. You have another activity. Again, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you have something new. Play around with it, maybe style it differently, and add more options. Tailwind CSS is extremely versatile. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep coding.